Kuda kwashe Tagwirei seems to be favored the most by Emmerson Mnangagwa, and a lot of people continue to ask questions. But this is something which is very important because we need to understand why is it that Mnangagwa favors Kuda kwashe Tagwirei so much. So he explains, I think, in a video, a well-detailed video, in terms of the reason why Kuda kwashe Tagwirei is at the center of everything happening within ZANU-PF. Let us take a look.
Tavakuziva zvino kuti tinoda maeka mangani munyika anofanira kurimwa chibage kuti nyika igute tigowana chimo chokuchengetedza. Taakuziva zvo tofanira kudiridza mahekita mangani pagore kuti tiwane nyika igute nechokuchengetedza. Zvakarezve zvichida mari, tauza mari yatinoda tichiiwanepi? Hakuna kuda. Asi tadaro zvino chozikamwa ndechokuti hurumende iri kugona, nokuti kana tenga tisina kutaura mazano iwaya kuda haizombozikanwa kuti ane zvaanozivapo. Saka vanogona ndisu takawana kuda katibatsira. Tinotenda muri yokwatagwirei kutipa gamba iri kutitsigira raita kuti nhasi hurumende Harare isumuke iuye pano mushurugwi nokuona mabasa akanaka ari kuitwa nomwana womuno mushurugwi mwana waTagwirei.
So this was during a funeral. I think the father of Kuda kwashe Tagwirei had passed on, and Mnangagwa went there. And he clearly stated that zvakaita kuti Harare yese isimuke ichienda kurufu inyaya yekuti they regard Kuda as a hero. So when you see Kuda kwashe Tagwirei being put on the forefront of everything, just understand one thing: they regard him as a hero because he is the source of finance. That is according to Emmerson Mnangagwa. So when they are buying whatever which they are buying, they are trying to bring influence within ZANU-PF through Kuda kwashe Tagwirei. Right now, the same Kuda is believed to want to take over or to lead Zimbabwe going forward. That is the belief. But in my own view, I feel that there is something which is hidden. There is a secret behind the coming of Kuda kwashe Tagwirei. I don't think that he is the man who is supposed to take a lead or who is supposed to be there. There is someone who is hidden. This is my own observation, my own view. I believe that there is someone who is hidden, who is in the shadows, who they want to take over the leadership of ZANU-PF as well as the leadership of Zimbabwe. But right now, they are simply fronting Kuda so that many people and other politicians, they will focus more on Kuda and then ignore the actual person who is going to be declared at a later time. So you look at everything, you look at Command Agriculture. Command Agriculture failed dismally, but Mnangagwa was praising it. It failed because if it was a success, we were not supposed to be importing anything. What is very important is you must run projects which are sustainable, projects which will run for a very long time, and you must have long-term results. When you are dealing with short-term results, when you are commenting on short-term results, and you are celebrating short-term results, you have not started. So Command Agriculture to me is a failure, billions of dollars wasted. Why? It's because they simply say Tina Kuda, but they don't have the idea. Yes, they have money, but the idea is nowhere to be found. Why? You go to Mashingo, they're busy relocating villagers from some pieces of land, and they will tell you, we want to do agriculture, we want to do irrigation, so we have to displace all these people. Those people are going to be workers. Zimbabwe, in our domain, Mangani, how many extension workers do we have? Why can't you contract those extension workers to work with farmers and make sure that munu ano producer according to what you want as a country? So this is it, and we'll continue to look at what's happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. But this is the secret. This is the reason why Emerson and Kudakwashe Tagwirei are friends. He explained it very clear. When you see Kudakwashe Tagwirei being propelled, ndo madhiracho.